Hi, I'm Craig. Welcome to the battery shop. Today we're going to show you how to replace the battery in this 2015 Ford Explorer. It's right here under the hood and it's pretty easy to get to. But before we begin, it's always a good idea to check with your manufacturer's step-by-step instructions. That way you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace the battery in a vehicle like this. Let's get started. We're using a memory saver to keep the computer's memories alive while replacing the battery. With gloves and safety glasses on, the first step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable using a 10mm wrench. Then remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal and set it off to the side. Next, remove the cap for the positive terminal and loosen the fastener, again using a 10mm wrench. Then, replace the cap and remove the positive battery cable assembly from the positive battery terminal and slide it off to the side. The next step is to remove the fasteners for the battery's hold-down bracket. A 10mm wrench or 10mm deep well socket is needed for this. And then remove the battery's hold-down bracket. Now we can remove the old battery and its heat shield. It's always a good idea to clean up any corrosion on your battery cables. On this vehicle, it's easier to do before installing the battery. Now we can install the replacement battery and its heat shield. The next step is to reinstall the battery's hold-down bracket and tighten its fasteners. Now we can clean up any corrosion on the battery's terminals. The next step is to reinstall the positive battery cable's assembly onto the positive battery terminal. But don't pound these clamps on, as that can cause internal battery damage. And tighten the fastener. And replace the cap. Finally, replace the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal and tighten the fastener. And we're done.